Hello friends, subscribe Technology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technologies. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to recover your lost key pair on AWS Amazon EC2 Linux instances. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. But first you need to click on your instances and you have to select your instances and right click over there and go to the image option and you have to click on this create image. Okay, so after that you have to put any name over there. In my case I'm putting here technology, and you can put any description over there. So in my case I'm putting here BPS. Okay, after that click on create image from here, and as you can see the create image request has received. So you have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes. So you have to click on AIM. So as you can see the technology image is creating, so you have to wait for few minutes. Okay, so under image you will get this option, okay, AMIS. So after that you can see available is showing under status. Okay, so now you have to click on your instances and you have to uncheck your last instances, and now you have to click on launch instance, and after that you have to click on this left side corner my AMIS. Okay, means Amazon machine image. Okay, after that you have to select your image which you have already created, and after that click on configure and click on add storage and click on add tags. You can put any tags over there, like in my case I'm putting here technology, and value I will put here VPS, and after that click on next, and after that click on review and then launch. You have to click create one new key pair. Okay, and after that click on this download key pair. Okay, and click on launch instances. So now click on EC2 and you have to delete your last instance. Okay, so just go to the terminate option, and now you can log in through this PIM file with your new instance. Okay, so I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.